Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Scott, and I'm at Checkers today for lunch. I've never eaten at a Checkers ever. They're in my neighborhood. They open, they close, they open, I don't know if it's a real popular, but I went by one the other day and I saw that they were also having a $6 meal, and I wanted to, in my comparison review world, to see what's going on there. So I got this $6 meal, and let's see what we get. I got a nice drink here. Got the Checkers Rallies, Checkers. I guess there's different stores. There you go. And that's the Checkers bag with the checker flag on there. I got some barbecue sauce in case I need it. Hedging all my bets here, Checkers. Got some fries. And, crunchy, tasty. Cute. Pretty good fries. Not bad. Nice and hot. Nice and crispy. And the $6 meal comes with some, I think, an 8-piece chicken nuggets. I mean, kind of a small side, but all right. Not the best that I've had, to be honest. And I have a new jacket on here, so trying not to. And I got the Checkers burger. Chicken wasn't that tasty. A little disappointed in the chicken, to be honest with you. But that's me. Someone else may love the chicken, and that's fun. That's the way this goes. So, I got the burger. It's got some mayo or some ketchup. Okay, nice looking roll, nice looking bun, nice looking burger, and let's give it a sampling. Burger's pretty tasty. Nice pickle, lettuce, tomato. They got like some mayo or sauce on there. They got ketchup. I would say overall, the burger's pretty good. The fries are pretty good. The chicken's not so good. But you know what? The chicken sandwich could be good. It's just the nuggets could be different, and they're a little small. Well, they're very small, but they give you a lot of them, and they didn't do anything for me. But again, that's my taste buds. I like the fries a lot. But again, this is another $6 meal. Everyone's competing with each other in this space. And, you know, they have a lot of other food offerings here. They got some chicken wraps for $1.99, which is cheaper than Burger King's wraps. I didn't try those, but I wanted to do the $6 meal because that's what I've been doing lately. And yeah, give it a try. I mean, you know, everybody The burger's pretty good. The fries are excellent. Get a drink, $6 if you're near a Checkers. Stop in. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Appreciate it.